Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sam.
What are you wearing?
My best friend is Sam.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
How many brothers do you have?
I have one brother.
What do you like to do?
I like to play soccer.
What color is the sky?
The sky is blue.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like school.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a pilot.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 p.m.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is an apple.
How do you feel?
I feel happy.
Can you draw?
Yes, I can draw.
How many fingers do you have?
I have 10 fingers.
Can you count to 10?
Yes, I can count to 10.
Do you like to read?
Yes, I like to read.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat a sandwich.
Where are we going?
We are going to the park.
What is this?
This is a doll.
Are you okay?
I am fine.
What are you doing?
I am eating cake.
What are you doing?
I am playing with my ball.
Can you jump?
Yes, I can jump high.
Where are you going?
I am going to school.
What are you holding?
I am holding a cup.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like to dance.
What do you have in your hand?
I have a ball in my hand.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What is this?
This is a book.
Who is he?
He is a chef.
What is this?
This is a pen.
What is this?
This is a computer.
What is that?
He is an artist.
Who are they?
They are musicians.
Who is he?
He is an engineer.
Who are they?
They are students.
Who is he?
He is a firefighter.
What is this?
They are hangers.
What are those?
She is a scientist.
What is that?
It is a flower.
What is that?
It is a cat.
What is that?
It is a bicycle.
What is that?
It is a guitar.
What are those?
Those are keys.
What is that?
He is a pilot.
What is that?
It is a watch.
Who are they?
They are friends.
Who is she?
She is a nurse.
What is that?
That is a tree.
Who is this?
This is a cup.
Who is this?
This is a car.
Who is this?
It is a smartphone.
Who are they?
They are siblings.
What is that?
This is a puppy.
Who are they?
They're doctors.
What is that?
That is a bag.
What do you see?
I see a bird.
Where does it hurt?
On my knee.
What is your name?
My name is John.
What is your name?
I am 6 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from New York.
What time is it?
It is 3 o'clock.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What are you doing?
I am reading a book.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
Where is the cat?
The cat is under the table.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What do you like to eat?
I like to eat pizza.
What do you like to eat?
Yes, I have a dog.
Where is my bag?
It is on the chair.
What is the weather like?
It is sunny today.
Can I play with you?
Yes, you can play with me.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream.
What is this?
This is a pencil.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
Can I have some water?
Yes, here is some water.
What day is today?
Today is Sunday.